How to get more FPS in Rocket League. Step 1. Open the settings and go to the Video tab. The first 3 settings from the video can be adjusted to your preference. Now for basic settings, it's best to turn the first one off. The second depends on how good your PC is. If it's strong, set it to high quality. If it's weaker, set it to quality or performance. It's best to set the FPS to the recommended value or one step higher. Set texture detail and world detail to quality. If your PC is really weak, use performance. Set particle detail to performance because it can really cause lag sometimes, and leave the next setting as it is. Next, uncheck what's shown in the video. If your PC is weak, you can uncheck everything. All right, that's everything in the settings. Now quickly jump into a game and see if our performance has improved. As you can see, I'm getting a steady 144 frames per second, while the recommended was normally 119. That's it. If you have any questions, write them in the comments.